अब डोडो ना बड़ा प्यारा सा बर्ड हुआ करता, थोड़ा डोडो के बारे में समझते हैं। हुआ करता था, इट्स एक्सटिंक्ट। जो मॉरिशस आइलैंड है, मॉरिशस आइलैंड पे जब जब दिल्ली में दिल्ली सल्तनत रूलर्स थे, इल्तुतमिश रूल कर रहा था या बलबन रूल कर रहा था, तब तक मॉरिशस आइलैंड पे ह्यूमन बींग्स हैड नेवर रीच्ड, ह्यूमन बींग्स वर नॉट देयर, लार्ज कार्निवोर्स वर आल्सो नॉट देयर। बड़ा ही साफ सुथरा सुंदर टिकाऊ जगह था। बर्ड्स मूव देयर, दे रियलाइज्ड वी डोंट नीड टू फ्लाई, वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ फूड ऑन द ग्राउंड ओनली, वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ फूड ऑन द ग्राउंड ओनली। तो बर्ड्स, जो देखो बर्ड्स फ्लाई करके वहां पहुंचे होंगे, उनको कोई प्रेडेटर नहीं मिला बड़ा उन्हें बर्ड्स को मारने के लिए, एंड दे गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ फूड ऑन द ग्राउंड ओनली, दे डिड नॉट नीड टू फ्लाई। ओवर द ईयर्स, ओवर thousands of years, lakhs of years, they lost their ability to, and one such bird was dodo. Dodo used to be very calm. dodo के बारे में ना देखो, अब इसकी वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग तो है नहीं, because humans reached there in 1598, within 80 years dodo is gone. So in 17th century dodo population became extinct. उसका ना बहुत मजाक उड़ाया गया, that this bird deserved to become extinct. Why? Because उसको मारने के लिए कोई वेपन्स लेके आ गया है, एंड डोडो इज लाइक, बिकॉज डोडो हैज इवॉल्व टू फेस नो थ्रेट्स, उसे आराम से खाना पीना मिला है, उसे किसने कभी मारा नहीं। तो इट वॉज अ चबी बर्ड विच कुड नॉट फ्लाई, आराम से मूव करता था ऑन मॉरिशस। मॉरिशस में देख लो, आप घूमने जाना चाहते हो भाई, एकदम वहीं जी रहा है, खाने पीने को मिल रहा है, अपना वेट बढ़ा लिया है, उड़ना बंद कर दिया है, चल जीवन, राइट। अब सोचो, सेलिब्रिटीज वुड गो टू मॉरिशस फॉर अ फ्यू डेज एंड देन दे विल कम बैक टू स्ट्रगल हियर, दे आर लिविंग कंफर्टेबली देयर, बट देन ह्यूमंस रीच देयर। अच्छा, तो it had evolved into flightless bird because of lots of food resources available on the ground. Dodo has historically been portrayed as being fat and clumsy, but it is now thought to have well adapted for its ecosystem. देखो, flying consumes a lot of energy. Why fly? Adaptation will make you like non-flying bird. It also use something called gizzard stones. A lot of birds use gizzard stones. Gizzard stones क्या होते हैं? They swallow stones. Stone के पीस को swallow कर लेंगे. Why would they do that? Because the stone will go in their stomach and will crush the food, help them digest. So कुछ birds हैं जिनको who do not have the ability to break food into smaller pieces or chew, they will swallow these stones, and those stones will be playing a role in crushing the food in their stomach. Okay, but then the Dutch colonist first landed on Mauritius in 1598, and within 80 years 1598 में ये लोग पहुंचे वहां, एंड विद इन 80 years डोडो इज एक्सटिंक्ट, डोडो इज गॉन। एक तो एक खुद ही मीट के लिए उसे कंज्यूम कर रहे थे, मोटा बर्ड है, बट दे ऑल्सो वेंट देयर विथ डॉग्स, कैट्स, चूहे, which were killing the birds and destroying their eggs also. पहले कोई प्रेडेटर नहीं है तो वो एग्स आराम से कहीं भी रख सकता था, and eventually within 80 years it's gone. It's a sign of how human interference in the ecosystem around the world has led to various species getting extinct. अब देखो, जब ये extinct हो गया ना, तो एंड इसके बारे में जब बताया जाता था तो it was thought कि मजाक कर रहे हैं, it's a mythology, डोडो वोडो कुछ एग्जिस्ट नहीं करा होगा कभी। बट लेटर व्हेन फॉसिल्स वर डिस्कवर्ड, पीपल एग्रीड कि यस, this bird was in 18th century, in 19th century, कि this kind of bird was. Now, the closest relative of dodo was Rodrigues solitaire. मतलब एवोल्यूशन में डोडो जिस जगह से इवॉल्व हुआ है वहां का एक और बर्ड था Rodrigues solitaire. It was also flightless and it has also become extinct. Flightless birds तो बेचारे extinct हो ही जा रहे हैं. इसका closest living relative is Nicobar pigeon. So basically dodo was a pigeon which had lost its ability to fly. Nicobar pigeon जो अभी among the all the birds which exist or not today, Nicobar pigeon is the bird which is the closest living relative of dodo. Are we getting this? सबको समझ में आ रहा है डोडो के बारे में? Okay. Now efforts are being made to de-extinct them. Extinct हो गए ना, उसका उनका extinction खत्म करने के using biotechnology. There's a company called Colossal Bioscience. It is in collaboration with Mauritian Wildlife Foundation, planning to bring dodos back. Now, Colossal के बारे में ना I used to teach it 2 years back about this company Colossal Bioscience. At that time, what I used to teach was this: they are trying to bring back mammoths. Mammoths, do you understand mammoths? वो आइस एज वाला हाथी जो बेचारा अकेला रह गया था. Mammoth, a lot of hairs and everything. So they had collected some genes of those mammoths from the fossils, and plan was that those genes will be introduced in the current elephants, so that those elephants will be having small ears, a lot of hairs, and then they'll be able to repopulate the cold region where these mammoths used to be there. This was the plan, de-extinct उन्हें करने का. Similar plan they are making for dodo also. Now, how are they planning to do it? Because you understand science, you have studied biotechnology with me, you will all be able to understand it. बस ध्यान से सुनो एक बार. What they have done is, first डोडो के fossils या कुछ body parts जो मिले, उससे they have been able to get entire DNA of dodo. डोडो का DNA मिल गया. Then they have also got DNA of the Rodrix, जो उनका closest relative था, जो मर गया, which is also extinct. उसका भी DNA मिला. They are comparing what was something that make dodo unique. Rodrix was the closest relative, तो उसमें उसके DNA में जो अंतर होगा, that is something that is making dodo unique. They are studying that. Then what they are doing is, they are going to अभी pigeon, अपना Nicobar pigeon. They also have sequenced the gene of Nicobar pigeon, and देखो Nicobar pigeon जो होगा उसमें male would be producing sperm, female would be producing egg cell. All that must be coming from some stem cell. देखो अपन ने जब blood cells के बारे में पढ़ा है, तो blood cells are coming from blood stem cells. उससे white blood cells, red blood cells सब बन रहे हैं. ऐसे ही from some stem cells, these sperm cells, these egg cells must be coming from some stem cells. They are taking that stem cell and they are inserting the dodo DNA in those cells. So now the eggs and sperms which will be produced will be the eggs and sperms of dodo. Will be the eggs and sperms of dodo. And they are planning कि मुर्गे और मुर्गी में डाल देंगे. Chicken or rooster में this egg cell and this sperm will be put. They will do कुकड़ुक्कू and बच्चा उनका डोडो पैदा हो जाएगा. Because the sperm has DNA of dodo, the egg cell has DNA of dodo, and this way they are planning to bring it back. Effort towards the extinction of Colossal of dodo. समझ में आई बात? हाँ देखो, अब स्टेम सेल में चेंज कर दिया ना, तो अब जैसे ही वो दैट स्टेम सेल whenever it's making egg cell, whenever it's making sperm cell, it will be making egg cell and sperm cell of newer DNA. Which DNA? The dodo वाला DNA. Okay, तो but please understand this. हमने स्टेम सेल किसका लिया था? पिजन का, निकोबार पिजन का, है ना? Colossal has also sequenced the gene of Nicobar pigeon, the dodo's closest extant relative, and found its primordial germ cells. Primordial germ cells क्या है? Stem cells. जो हम PGCs बोल रहे हैं, they are stem cells. PGCs are basically embryonic precursor of species, sperm and egg. So these are stem cells which are precursor of sperms and eggs. The Nicobar pigeon PGC will now be edited to express the physical traits of dodo. So this PGC, this stem cell is being edited to get the features of dodo with the insight gathered from comparison of genomes of all three birds. We have Nicobar pigeon, we have Brodrix, we have dodo. तीनों के जीन स्टडी करके we have exactly understood कि what is there in dodo which is unique about it. So we have not put the entire DNA of dodo. देखो निकोबार पिजन में तो बहुत सारा DNA सेम ही होगा ना, 95% of DNA may be same, 99% of the DNA may be same. Only 1% thing may be unique. Only that thing gets added. And then these edited stem cells will then be inserted into embryos of a sterile chicken and rooster who will act as interspecies surrogate. They'll act as surrogate parents but of a different species. In theory, when the chicken and rooster reproduce, they will give birth to a dodo offspring. Some people say कि no, एक तो ये हम ले आए but इसे वापस reintroduce करना would be a challenge in itself. The dodo that got killed, it over the years have learned to survive in particular conditions. Some people who support this say that it will be good, but we cannot introduce this in Mauritius because Mauritius में तो बहुत कुत्ते हैं, बहुत बिल्लियां हैं, बहुत human beings हैं. Mauritius के जो बाकी islands हैं उनमें से some island where humans are not there, which are pristine, there dodo could be introduced. But why introduce dodo? Why we are so much interested in dodo? Because dodo had a mutualistic relation with those islands. Dodo was a fruit eater. वो fruit को लेके इधर से उधर जाता था, and it led to a lot of fruit plants growing in those regions, in those territories, and a lot of other birds were also benefited. Moreover, they want to do it because dodo is a sign of that extinction. जैसे एक simile है, to be extinct like a dodo. एक सिमिली है ऐसा, तो हमें उसको काउंटर करना है. और मोर ओवर by this in future we'll be able to focus on the existing species which are facing threats. We spoke about a rhino जिसके पास 2 females बच गए. The last male Sudan died in 2018, right? So those kind of things in future will be able to solve these problems if we are able to develop this technology, if we are able to develop this method. The extinction of dodos. Colossal biosciences.